So we have a domain registered and we have the hosting account set up. Now we're ready to create a MySQL database. So let's get started. In HostGator, we'll come in here and scroll down to the MySQL databases and we'll click on that button. Let's set up a new database called test and then just go ahead and click create database. You've added the database, so now what we'll do is we'll copy that and we'll paste it into our notepad. We'll come into notepad and control V to paste. Whoops, it didn't do it. So let's go back in here and copy it again. Control C and then control V. And then we'll do the same thing with the password. Let's go back. We'll scroll down to the section where we create the user, and we'll make the user the same. We'll make it test. And then what we'll do is we'll click on the password generator, and that'll give us a password, and then just select it and control C to copy, and then check the box, yes, I've copied it, and use that password. Now let's go back and put it into our notepad. So we'll come in here and we'll control V to paste it in. Actually, I do it twice. I don't know, it's wacko, but I do it. And then I'll come back in here, click on create password. This is the username and the password, so I select it again, and this is kind of redundant, but it does give me everything and make sure that I've got it correct. And then I just do it like that, so I've got the username and the password. And then we come back and click on go back. Then what we'll do is we'll scroll down to the area where we actually add the username to the database, and we'll scroll down and we'll put fill K49 test and fill K49 test, and we'll click on add. That will open up the page where we check all privileges, and then we click make changes, and that adds the username to the database so that they're tied together. We'll go back and take a look. I'll show you what that looks like. As you can see right here, the database and the username are attached, so now they're ready to install the software. So the next video we'll work on is the FileZilla, the FTP client, and then uploading the files and getting ready to install it.